gay men cannot donate blood unless they can say they have not had sex with another man for 12 months. So this is blatant discrimination and it's a blatant inequality. And I want to commend Tomás Heenahan for highlighting this and for his campaign.
Hi everyone, we're here to just share some good news in terms of blood donation. As of next Monday, the final restrictions in terms of gay men giving blood, donating blood, are going to be gone. It's something that's long overdue. I'm here with Senator Fiona O'Loughlin, who's been fighting hard for this for a long time. Fiona, will you tell us how we got here?
Absolutely, Stephen. Up until 2017, as you know, there was a lifetime ban on men who have sex with other men in donating blood. And obviously no such restriction for those that are heterosexual. In 2017 that did change, but basically men who wanted to donate blood and who have sex with other men had to abstain from sexual relationships for 12 months. So this was an absolute inequality. And when it came to my attention, I had a meeting with you and spoke to some men within the LGBT community, particularly Tomás Heenahan, who has really been a stalwart in terms of championing for this. And all I can say is thank you, because you did take this on board. You worked with the Blood Transfusion Board, and I think it's a really, really important announcement in terms of equality and in terms of going forward.
Well, thank you, and thank you for all of your work.
Pleasure.